Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about skin problems, psoriasis, dry eczema, weeping eczema, vitiligo, ichthyosis, bald head, alopecia areata. Okay, alopecia totalis in our health problems and natural remedies. Okay, this is how we follow. First one is list of bull-driven oils or wood-pressed oils. Then next list of concoctions. Next diet plan with millets. Next one is important one is exercise. Last one is what to avoid. Okay. So on empty stomach you have to consume wood pressed oils. Every week you have to change the oil. Okay. Um, One more thing is empty stomach means you can consume water if you are habituated to drink water. Okay. Early in the morning. Okay. Let's say you woke up at 6 a.m. Okay, you drank 1 liter of water. Okay, so after 1 hour, that means at 7 a.m. you can have this wood pressed oil. If you drink 1.5 liter of water, that means at 7:30 a.m. you can have this bull driven oil. Okay, so week one drink not 1 teaspoon, 2 to 3 spoons of sesame seed oil. Okay, week two 2 to 3 spoons of coconut oil. Week 3 2 to 3 spoons of safflower oil. Okay, if spoon is bigger then you can take only 1 spoon, that's why I wrote 1 spoon. Okay, if it is small spoon you have to consume 2 to 3 spoons. Okay, depending upon the size of the spoon. So repeat this cycle after every 3 weeks. Okay, 30 minutes gap is needed between bull driven oils and the concoction. Okay, at night you have to apply sesame seed oil. Okay, at the affected area. Okay, for mitigation of the problem. So every night you will apply this oil at the skin. Okay, early in the morning you can bath as usual. Okay, you can go for a bath as usual, no problem. So concoctions, first one is aloe vera. Take only small piece of aloe vera to make concoction. Okay, maybe 1/10 or 1/20th of the this stem. Okay, bigger stem. Remove that green layer. Okay, inside you will be having jelly kind of thing, white jelly kind of thing, and take that jelly kind of thing and make it into 2 to 3 pieces, and as usual you can make concoction. Okay, then hydroxyl asiatica leaves. Okay, so take 3 to 4 leaves to make concoction. Okay, next mint leaves, take 7 to 8 leaves to make concoction. Coriander, same 7 to 8 leaves or 10 leaves to make concoction. Dillweed, take one bigger stem to make concoction. Indian mallow, take 4 to 5 leaves to make concoction. Okay, anyhow you will be looking at how to make concoction at the end of the presentation. Okay, so this is the plan. First week aloe vera, second week hydroxyl asiatica leaves, third week mint leaves, fourth week coriander leaves, fifth week dillweed, sixth week Indian mallow. Okay, if you do not find any one of the leaves you can still continue with the remaining leaves. Let's say you didn't get this, let's say you do not get this leaf. Okay, then at the second week you can go for mint leaves, third week coriander, fourth week dillweed, fifth week Indian mallow, and this cycle repeats itself till you recover from the problem. Okay, whatever it may be. And one more important thing is you have to maintain 45 minutes to 1 hour gap between the concoction and the next meal. Okay, so diet plan with millets, foxtail millet for 3 days. If you are taking 3 meals per day, take all the 3 meals with foxtail millet only. Okay, you can have curries as usual. If you want you can have curd also, curd or buttermilk, whatever it may be. Okay, if you are having only 2 meals, have those 2 meals with foxtail millets only. Okay, brown top millet for 3 days, barnyard for 1 day, kodo millet for 1 day, little millet for 1 day. Okay, so eat these millets alternately for this 9-day schedule and repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. No rice, no bread, no wheat products till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils or bull driven oils for cooking or for drinking, both. How to cook millets? Cook it either like rice or make millet porridge. Cooking it like rice. Add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it either on open top or in a pressure cooker, but avoid pressure cooking if you have enough amount of time. Making millet porridge, use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Tie the top using cotton cloth once it is cooled down, and then keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours and then eat. Okay. And if it is summer, 6 to 7 hours is sufficient to get it fermented. Okay. Exercise is also important. Walk for 1 hour a day. Okay. And increase your walking time slowly day by day. Okay. uh, how fast you walk, that doesn't matter. Okay. But you have to increase your walking time. Next, foods to avoid: all milk products, all dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oils, sugar and jaggery you have to avoid. You can consume palm jaggery, dates, and 100% pure honey. Okay, if it is available. Only when if you are not diabetic. Okay. So these three are the options for sugar and jaggery. Healthy options for sugar and jaggery. Wheat powder and refined wheat powder you have to avoid. Tea, coffee also you shouldn't drink. All bakery products, all polished millets or refined millets. Millets also you have to take whole grains, not polished. Okay, then non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, and all ready-to-eat foods. Okay. In the concoction, if you cannot drink as it is, you can add palm jaggery in it. Okay. And now we will be looking at how to make a concoction using any one of the above mentioned leaves. Okay. Coriander leaves concoction. Okay. First, we have to take coriander leaves. These many are sufficient. Okay. And in the boiling water, you have to add coriander leaves. Okay. They are actually cleaned using running water. It's better to use running water alone. Okay. It has to be boiled in a low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. Once it get boiled, you have to keep the top closed. Okay. And wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the boiling is over, we have to wait for 3 to 4 minutes. See, this is filter. By using that filter, you have to filter it. That is waste, that is not at all useful. This is how you will get it. Okay, this color you will get. Okay, you have to sip it. Okay, you shouldn't be consuming whole thing at a time. You have to sip it drop by drop using a spoon. Okay, thank you. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.